I have another experiment for us today. Hi, I hope everybody's doing well. We are going to see what happens when we use vinegar. Remember, we've used vinegar in a lot of our experiments so far, which is an acid, and we mix it with an ordinary egg. And go ahead and gently touch your egg and feel the shell and how it feels before you start the experiment. See how hard it is because it keeps the yolk safe inside of the egg. And we're gonna place our egg in our mason jar. Do it carefully so as not to break our egg. And then all we're gonna do is fill the jar up with vinegar. And then we're gonna put a lid on it. And we're gonna wait. And we're gonna check back in and see what happens. If you can see, there are some bubbles immediately forming on the egg and rising to the top of the jar. So we're gonna check back in for a couple of days and see what the acetic vinegar does to the shell of the egg. So I took our egg out of the jar with the vinegar. It is the one on the right that's a little bit yellower in color. If you can see, it's grown inside a little bit. If you look inside the jar, you can see there's some pieces of the shell that was deteriorated by the vinegar being acidic. And I don't know if you're gonna tell this from the video, but it's a little bouncy. You can actually wipe off some of the remaining shell. Just ran it under some water and you can see that it has turned semi-transparent or translucent where the original egg was opaque. I think I'm going to try holding it up to the light and take a picture and see if we could actually see the yolk through the egg. Also, if you can see, it is bouncy. Look, it just broke. But as you can see, it's bouncing and the shell turned into a rubbery substance. The inside of the egg probably looks pretty much similar to what it did before the experiment. I hope you enjoyed this one. Take care, stay safe.